Ever imagined bringing a character to life with just a few clicks? Meet Hedra, your ultimate tool for crafting captivating character videos effortlessly. Let's dive into the process. Start by entering your text and selecting the voice.
The fox has many tricks. The hedgehog has but one, but that is the best of all.
Describe your character in detail. Then click on Create. Watch as Hedra transforms your description into a stunning character image. Now, it's time to animate your character. Click on the Generate Video button. Hedra will bring your character to life. This is where the magic happens. Preview the video to make sure everything looks and sounds just right.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is a transformative technology that leverages machine learning, neural networks, and data analytics to perform tasks traditionally requiring human intelligence.
Happy with the final result? Click download and your professionally animated character video is ready to share with the world. With Hedra, creating engaging character videos has never been easier. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.